Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fundamental component for anyone working with analog audio, specifically tape recorders, an integrated circuit audio preamp designed for this very purpose. This particular one comes in a 16-lead DIP package, which is a classic form factor that's quite familiar to electronics enthusiasts and hobbyists. An audio preamp, or preamplifier, is absolutely crucial in the signal chain of a tape recorder. The signal that comes directly off the magnetic tape head is incredibly weak. It's just a tiny voltage generated by the magnetic flux variations on the tape passing over the head. This signal is far too low to drive subsequent stages like equalization circuits or power amplifiers that ultimately send sound to speakers or headphones. The preamp's job is to take this minuscule signal and boost it to a usable level, typically line level, while adding as little noise and distortion as possible. For tape recorders, the preamp also often needs to provide specific equalization, known as RFA or NAB equalization, depending on the standard used for recording the tape. While the description here doesn't specify if this IC includes the equalization network internally or if it requires external components, the core function of boosting the weak head signal remains paramount. The quality of this initial amplification stage significantly impacts the overall fidelity of the playback. A poor preamp can introduce hiss, hum, or distort the signal before it even gets a chance to be properly processed. The 16-lead DIP package is a through-hole component, meaning it has pins that go through holes on a circuit board and are typically soldered. This makes it very accessible for prototyping on breadboards, building circuits on perf board or strip board, and for repair work on older equipment where through-hole components are standard. It's less common in modern, highly miniaturized surface mount designs, but for DIY audio projects, educational purposes, or vintage equipment repair and restoration, the DIP package is often preferred for its ease of handling and soldering. Using a dedicated integrated circuit like this simplifies the design of the preamp stage compared to building one from discrete transistors and passive components. The IC manufacturer has done the complex work of designing the internal circuitry for optimal performance, noise rejection, and stability within the chip itself. This allows builders and repairers to implement a high-quality preamp with fewer external components, saving space and reducing complexity. For someone looking to build their own tape playback circuit, perhaps for digitizing old tapes or integrating a tape mechanism into a custom audio system, an IC like this is an essential building block. Similarly, if repairing a vintage tape recorder where the original preamp IC has failed or is noisy, finding a suitable replacement or upgrade in a compatible package like this 16-lead DIP is key to restoring functionality and sound quality. While we don't have specific performance metric for this particular IC, the fact that it's designed specifically as an audio preamp for tape recorders suggests it's engineered with the unique requirements of this application in mind, such as handling the low impedance and voltage of a tape head and minimizing noise pickup. It represents a focused solution for a specific audio challenge, providing the necessary gain and potentially the foundation for proper equalization needed to bring the sound stored on magnetic tape back to life with clarity. It's a small but mighty component in the world of analog audio reproduction.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.